we use for a specific time, specific point, time, exact location, and by used to place very closer to or beside, very closer to or beside, or time like डेडलाइन तो टाइम दिया गया है उसी के अंदर करना है. मेथड और मेथड हाउ और who did it with accompaniment, togetherness, okay. Now let's solve the question. I am blank the station. Here it is showing the exact location, right? Exact location. So exact location, that's why we're using here at. Next, I am blank the station. Here it is showing near the station. Or outside, maybe outside of the station, maybe outside of the station. Sorry, very less space. Outside of the station or near the station. That's why we are using here by. Okay, very closer to or beside, outside, by the station. Now number 3, I am blank my mom blank the station. I am accompaniment. So here togetherness is showing, right? I am with my mom, and it is showing again the location. Here it is the togetherness with mom, and here it is showing that location, exact location, right? That's why we are using here at. I am up blank this head. It is showing the use with for feeling about something. Okay, about feeling something. So we have to use here what? I am up with this head. I am up with this head. Means use with for feeling about something. For such a video, please follow and share. Thank you so much for watching.